right in the middle of the 2026 World Robot Conference in Beijing, something stops people mid-stride. Standing gracefully in a lush floral enclosure is the garden edition of Xuan 2.0, the newest ultra-bionic humanoid from the Shanghai-based robotics company Aheadform. As you walk past her display, she locks eyes with you, her eyelids fluttering with an incredibly natural cadence, and she warmly introduces herself as today's guide.
您好呀，很高兴在这里遇见你，我是今天的领路人金灵璇。
This incredible realism is because the Xuan 2.0 runs as many as 42 independent facial motors, well beyond the previous 30. This gives the newer Xuan units a level of micro-expression control that most competing Android faces in the industry still cannot match. Moving to her mobility, the platform shown with this Garden Edition is the newly articulated bionic humanoid upper body platform that Aheadform highlighted around August 18th. It features expanded degrees of freedom in its arms and shoulders, which actively allows Xuan 2.0 to physically gesture, shift its posture, and seamlessly coordinate limb movements with its gaze. However, despite these major upper body upgrades, Aheadform's current bionic robots remain strictly non-ambulatory. They are specifically designed to be mounted on stands or seated behind desks for high-end social interaction, customer service, or museum displays, meaning they still cannot walk or roam freely. Because each unit is uniquely built based on the buyer's specific application and hardware needs, with no official price tag listed publicly, third-party robot databases currently estimate the Xuan 2.0 platform to be around $50,000 to $150,000.